Our farm is alive with activity today. We have a horse, a cow, a sheep, a chicken, a dog, a donkey, a goat, an ox, and yes, little pigs too. Let's make some new friends, shall we? First, we have our graceful horse, Harry. Look, he's munching on a juicy apple. Crunch, crunch, crunch. He sure loves his fruit. Now, let's meet our friendly cow, Clara. Do you hear that sound she's making? Yes, it's a moo. Can you moo like Clara? Over here is our adorable sheep, Sally. Look at her soft, fluffy wool. Baa, baa. Can you baa like Sally? Here's our cheerful chicken, Chuck. He's pecking around for some tasty grains. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Can you cluck like Chuck? And here is Dash, our brave farm dog. Dash watches over all the other animals and keeps them safe. Woof, woof. Can you woof like Dash? Let's not forget our diligent donkey, Dolly. She's always ready to carry loads around the farm. Hee-haw. Can you hee-haw like Dolly? Next up is our gregarious goat, Gertie. She's nibbling at some fresh leaves. Baa. Can you baa like Gertie?
Bah, bah, bah.
See that strong animal? That's Oscar the ox. He's powerful and helps with the heavy work on the farm. Can you make a low moo like Oscar? And lastly, meet our playful pigs, Peter and Polly. They love to roll in the mud. Oink, oink. Can you oink like a pig? What an exciting day at the farm! We hope you enjoyed learning about our farm animal friends and had as much fun as we did. If you liked this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more adventures. See you next time.